If you've decided to start up your own business or buy an existing small business, the first thing you need to know is how you're going to fund it. First, you need to determine your liquidity. This is the amount of cash you can come up with for a down payment if taking a bank loan. The SBA guided lenders typically require anywhere from 10 to 20% down based on the deal and the bank's approach. So let's say you have $5,000 in cash in your bank account. You can try to search for deals in the $50,000 range. However, there are other ways to finance deals, so don't let your liquidity discourage you. Here are just a few ways you can start up or acquire an existing business. 1. You can fund the down payment yourself, estimate 10% of the sales price. 2. You can get the seller to offer a seller's note, which means they are personally financing part of the deal and could possibly be putting down the money the bank requires for down payment. In some rare cases, you can kick the bank out of the acquisition altogether if the seller provides a large enough self-financing option. 3. You can get an investing partner to pay the down payment in exchange for equity or some other arrangement. Maybe they are the funding source and you manage the day-to-day operations. This is called sweat equity. You can find these partnerships through various investment networking groups that are out there, although many of them require a membership fee. Or you can roll over your 401k through the ROBS or Rollover for Business Startups program. But beware, as this has some other implications to it. You have to form a C Corp, which assumes equity against your retirement, and you become a fiduciary of that C Corp's funds, which used to be yours. But it is a tax-free way to liquidate your retirement. And as the value of the company grows, so does your retirement. 5. You can use a HELOC or home equity line of credit, so long as the deal doesn't involve purchasing real estate. There are other creative means to fund a business acquisition or startup, and there are tons of resources available that dive into forming trusts, obtaining smaller SBA startup loans, side hustling your cash flow, sourcing venture capital investments, crowdfunding, and other methods. You'll find some very creative pros out there if you dig around. I just caution you, one way or another, starting or acquiring a business is a risk, and you will have to do the work. Anyone who tells you this is a quick and easy way to start a company is an absolute con artist who doesn't have your best interests at heart. And let me guess, just click on their link below and you can give them your limited liquidity to tell you what you can find for free on YouTube. So what's the catch? Why am I telling you this? Because I want you to succeed. And after you start up or buy your business, you can bring my team on board to help you get things up and running efficiently and more rapidly than doing it alone. For now, I'm just paying it forward.